Okay, 5 things I like about Matthew.
Oh, this was gonna be hard. We're gonna be here for a little bit.
The first thing I like is how he supports my autism and epilepsy. I like how you're trying to overcome your fear of dogs.
Oh my God.
Matthew, it's okay, it's just the dog. Do you want me to beat you up and take your cake?
Why is it growling?
Matthew, they're barking because they like you. Can you just get out of my way when I walk?
I'm not in your way.
All right, let's get to the vote. 24th person voted out. Matthew, the tribe is spoken. They say, fuck you.
Get back here! I think this is funny!
Stop it.
I'm not doing it. You're the worst teammate to have.
You! Kiss my ass.
But not literally, though.
Peter, stop. Every year, Peter.
Everybody has to try and save their own assholes.
Isn't this good shit or what? Hey ladies, they're filming a documentary about me.
This movie is actually about us.
Stop.
Why are you laughing?